Hello guys, I am Zeta with Second Gaze Restoration. You might remember me from a paint party I did with the extended family. And I wanted to come at you today and talk about this awesome workshop that I have created. It is going to be a kind of an exclusive. It's an introduction to my workshops, so you guys will be the first to test it out, to review it, and to see everything that I have to offer. So it's a small group. It's only going to be about 6 people per group and per session. And I wanted to offer it to you guys first, since you've already experienced me one time. So let me show you what it's going to be. This is the art kit that I have. It is a hardwood board, and we have a decoupage paper. I'll show you how to apply decoupage paper. And then we're going to use milk paint and Venetian plaster. I'll show you how to mix the milk paint and the Venetian plaster, and it comes with a container that you can take home with you if you have anything left. And it also comes with an instructional video, so if you want to just buy it online and you don't want to actually come to the physical class, you also have that option. So all of these skills that I'm teaching you with this one workshop are all skills that you can use on your furniture, on your walls, on a tabletop, and things like that. So this is really kind of like the introduction to, it's the introduction to art, but it's also an introduction to creating different finishes and improving your home. Okay, so I hope to see you there. Click the link below to sign up, and I'll be back at you with more details. Thank you. This is Zeta with Second Gaze Restoration.